you can fix your unable to install app, please try again later error on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, what you'll have to check is your internet speed. Make sure that your internet speed is fast and it's not lagging behind. So just open up a web browser and type in fast.com. Now using this website, you'll be able to check your internet speed. Now if you are on a good internet speed, you should not have any problem downloading the apps. But if you still do, what you can do is go to your settings, and after you are on your settings, just scroll down till you see the screen time option. Tap on screen time and scroll down. Now there you will see the restrictions section. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now right there you will be able to see iTunes and App Store purchases. Open it up and there you will see require password section. Now you can turn this on and turn this off as you wish. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed, but if it does not, what you'll have to do is just restart your iPhone and make sure that you do a forced restart, and that should fix your problem. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.